If you feel sad, are you sad feeling hopeless? Not going with the flow of life, okay? Okay, if you feel sad, better be happy on your own, okay? If you feel sad, do not worry, but stay happy. How to be happy? How to improve yourself? Or about life? If you feel sad, find someone to talk to. Share your problems about life. Go conversations with the people who cares about you. Be with the people who means so much to you and very important. Okay, if you feel sad, maybe go look for a psychologist or your psychiatrist. They might treat the pain that you feel. Okay, if you feel sad, watch a movie, even anime. Read books, manga. Self-help books. Always learn something about life. Self-talk review about yourself. Your whole life, okay? If you feel sad, read the Bible. And then reflect and pray. For yourself and other people, kindness. If you feel sad, watch the TV, the news. Go music. Create a music playlist. Read, find hobbies that will suit your needs, okay? If you feel sad, okay? Write, create a book. Look for something na makaka-consume ng time mo. Important. Yes, okay. If you feel sad, go doodle. Draw, engage yourself into arts or music. If you feel sad, palagi na lang ba? Ano ba cause? Because of a broken heart or others. Okay, make yourself happy. Purchase things that could help you about life, like books, Bible, and then sketchpad para mag-drawing ka para maging busy ka. Yun, be busy-minded. Oo, yes, true, totoo. Okay, opo. If you feel sad, install apps on your phone na makakatulong about your problems in your life. Yes, okay, opo, okay. If you feel sad, appreciate life more. Mamasyal, eat foods na favorite mo sa restaurant. Mag-McDo ka, Jollibee, yes. Speak up, dear, like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Salamat po.